Microsoft is not planning to kill off Windows 10 download installation media. Microsoft has confirmed that it would stop selling Windows 10 product key license on February 1, which means the 31st of January would be the last day to buy a copy of the old OS. There should not be a big surprise as Windows 11 is the company long-term plan and Windows 10 will retire in October 2025 while Microsoft will stop selling Windows 10 license in February. The company has no plan to take down the installation media.iso files or media creation tool. According to changes quietly made to the company documentation, this concern all versions of Windows 10 including home and professional. Microsoft has posted a message to its online store confirming that January 31 to 23 will be the last day this Windows 10 download is offered for sale. This message is visible in all listing of Windows 10 and it applies to the online store only. But it's likely you won't be able to purchase the license at Microsoft affiliated offline stores as well. The notification confirmed that the company would continue to service Windows 10 until October 14, 2025. This includes protection against viruses, spyware, and other malware. The good news is Microsoft won't make it difficult for users to download Windows 10 via ISO, installation media, or similar tools. Windows 10 download pages for consumer do not mention downloads going offline as of January 31. Likewise, Windows 10 Enterprise does not feature warnings as well. This means the Microsoft Store notification applies only to paid downloads and not the ISO offered via the downloads portal. The company will also offer the operating system for download via its MSDN network. This is based on the information available on the company website, but it's always subject to changes. You can still buy Windows 10 or go back to Windows 11 from Windows 10 while purchasing Windows 10 license from the Microsoft won't be possible. Buying product keys is always possible from other online retailers on Windows 10 Home and Pro Lifecycle policy page. Microsoft has clearly stated that it will continue to offer updates to older Windows 10 machine until October 14, 2025. The company considers Windows 10 the right choice for those who are not ready to transition to a new hardware or if they prefer the old interface more than the new one. Of course, you can purchase Windows 11 license and downgrade the copy to Windows 10 using the ISO. Downgrading to Windows 10 from Windows 11 will remain possible and Microsoft will automatically activate your Windows 10 license.